Hello, I'm Jordan Hansen from the Cobalt Intelligence, and today we're talking about the Arizona Secretary of State business search, where you can search for different entities and kind of see whether they're in good standing, see officer information, anything like that. And we're also going to go through the Secretary of State, the search for Arizona. We're going to go through how to get that data via API with our portal, so you can create an account and get that data in an automated fashion, get JSON back. Then we're going to talk about using it in Postman, and then finally how to do it with the SDK, JavaScript SDK, if you're using Node.js, to just really easily get that data in an automated fashion. You can just integrate it right into your software. Arizona has the fields you'd expect. In fact, it pretty much has every single field you'd like. Secretary of State URL is a good one, and that's not always there. It has officer information. It has the document information. It has industry. It pretty much is what you want for Arizona. So now there's something you should know. Arizona has an older search form. So when you search for the Arizona Secretary of State business search, typically what's going to pop up is like this one right here. If you get to this one, you're in the wrong spot. The real one it should have E Corp right there. This is what you're looking for. So you want it to look like this. Today we're going to search for tax. Now let's search for software. I like software better. So let's click on software. You're going to see this nice little list of businesses as you'd expect. It was pretty quick. Let's go to, ooh, this looks like a cool name. Yeah, that does look cool. Copy that one. Then we're gonna go to this one. So this is what it's gonna look like. Pretty standard. As you go through these, you'll see that some states clearly have the same software developer and they kind of follow the same design. But you can go here. This is our list of officers down here. We can also go to document history. You can see all the documents here. So articles of organization. There you go. So now if you go to Cobalt Intelligence, we're gonna go and search right here. This is if you log in, create an account, you get some trial test account or requests, lookups, verifications, whatever you want to call them, and you're going to hit submit. And now it's going to go and get that data. Now I'm going to go back here and go back to where we were, return to results, so I can kind of compare what we have. So items we're going to look for, maybe this agent, Matthew G. Taylor. Here's all the document information. Here's our officers. Oh, here it is. Known place of business. Yeah, Libby Street. Okay, we got there. You can search for the data here. You can see what status are there, good standing, active. Now let's go to Postman and see what that looks like over here. We're going to go to Arizona right here, and we're going to send it here. Again, I'm going to put send here. This is what the URL is going to look like. You're going to put in your header, you're going to put X API key and then put past the API key right there. You're going to send it. It's always something too important to know that you should be encoding your search query, your title, your business name right here, just in case there's ampersands or anything else like that inside of it. There's all our data. So this I can get it here in Postman. So we're going to go over here also to, this is the SDK. And we're just going to run it. We're going to go to Arizona here. And so what it does is it creates the SOS API, and then you just pass in an API key, and you're going to get different, what did we get wrong here? Oh, AR. Oh my gosh, AZ. There we go. There's all of our information again. There you go. There's the SDK. So what you can do is you can initialize it here, and then you can just call SOS API to get business details. You can also get it by SOS ID if you want the entity ID. Pass in things like business name, state, screenshot. You can search by street, city, whatever. So if you pass in screenshot, that's what we did over here. You can see at the bottom, we'll have the screenshot URL. Click it, and there it is. And it kind of gives you a screenshot of it. So you can kind of document in your process to say, hey, look, we have a screenshot. We can prove we actually went to this place. We have a timestamp and the URL. That is Arizona.